Hey everybody, so I got a new tailgate assist to put on. If you add weight to your tailgate, it is going to be a lot heavier. Now, my model does have a little bit of assist built in, but as I'm getting it heavier and heavier, it doesn't work quite as well as it did before. I'm going to go ahead and put one of these assists on there, especially since I'm going to be adding a lot more weight to this tailgate. Now this kit does come with everything that you need. So you got your tailgate assist, you do have a little screwdriver, you got a little wrench, you got everything that you need. Then you got the instructions, really quite simple. Pretty much we need to take this off, we need to get the tailgate off, we need to pull off this screw, and we're going to put one of those brackets there, and then we got to do the same thing. Then we got to do the same thing down here. All right, so first we need to take off this strap, and what we need to do is use this included screwdriver and bend out that little clip, and you're going to have to lift up your tailgate enough to, you will have to lift up your tailgate enough to get it over it. And we're going to go ahead and pull off that bolt. Then we're going to put our bracket on. And now you can attach this back on. Next, we're going to remove these two bolts. They are 10 millimeter. I probably should have grabbed my ratchet. It would have been easier. Then we need to install our bracket. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and get our assist attached. So we need to attach it to the ball there, and you may have to give it just a little pounding. All right, next we need to attach this one. So we'll need to close the tailgate some. All right, and once you have it on there, oh, that's so much slower. All right, so let's go ahead and close it. Oh no, is it? Now with mine, I found there's going to be an issue with that tie down bracket right there, so I'm going to need to remove this bracket to be able to close this. All right, and with our bracket off, we can easily close this up. And now it's going to be able to open much slower. All right, there's my quick demonstration on the tailgate assist. Really easy to put them on, and they do help a lot. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.